Good morning, 11th grade. Let's look at what we're doing today. I actually added one thing. There is a lesson. We're in 3-2 foreign ground. There is a lesson on how to cite or how to pick which quote to put in your summary or summative preparation document, and basically what kind of quotes you are eventually going to want to use in your paper. So I didn't make this lesson, Miss Haviland did. It's very detailed, but it's also very good. So then there's, in addition to your reading, which is short, it's only like, I think it's like 17 minutes today. There's the quick quiz, and then there's her lesson, and then there's a quiz over her lesson. So that quiz is formative, not summative. So you don't have to like kill yourself trying to get all the points, but it is worth going through and looking at how you're going to be graded on the paper that is coming out of this book. Okay, so we're talking a lot about the book. We haven't talked a lot about the paper. This is starting to talk more about the paper. Okay, so good luck. Text me or message me if you have any issues, and then we will have our online meeting on Thursday. Okay.